Are you struggling to manage your team's projects and tasks? Plaky is here to transform your workflow. With one powerful tool, streamline your operations effortlessly. Experience fast and easy setup. Launch your projects in minutes using our ready-made templates. Enjoy seamless collaboration. Centralize communication, and ensure everyone stays aligned effortlessly. Gain transparency. Use Gantt charts or Kanban views to visualize your project timelines. Upgrade your business with Plaky's comprehensive solutions for various needs. Join over 169,370 users and create your free account today.